I see you. Let's go. It's recording and I'm watching Hadley. Pizza. Woo, holla. Alright, pizza. Good. There you go, do your turn. Come on, you Michael. Woo! Rip it. Look at Jack just shredding it. Michael ripping the powder. Good turn there, buddy. Look at. Good turn. Get on those heels. Get on those heels. Got you on video. I can see. Woo! There's Emmy just shredding the powder. Michael ripping toe side. Now he's stopping. You got to point it downhill. We got Morgan. She stopped on the road. She's video. You arguing with Mr. Phillip? Say something for the video camera. Hi. I like pie. Holla. We got you on video. Tell all your grandparents hello from Steamboat.
Hi. This morning my teeth were white and also yellow.
You were just shredding it. Look at him, he's ripping. Good. Okay. Woo! Alright, remember, there you go. Squeeze those feet. There you go. Good. Woo! Nice. Rip it, Michael. You are just. Do a jump. Hop one time. Bunny hop. One time. Give me a bunny hop. Oh, I saw it. Michael, you guys get some speed on that wall. They're going to want to do some tricks. Hey. Welcome to Steamboat. Maddie, you gonna be ripping down the double blacks? Tell the camera. Hadley, double blacks. Sweet. Double blacks. Woo! Double blacks. Welcome to Steamboat.